Welcome to our channel. Today we're unboxing the hottest kitchen items for 2024 that you absolutely need to know about. These trends are going to revolutionize your cooking experience. You lot think you've got what it takes to be a decent home cook? Well, listen up, because this isn't some amateur hour. We're talking top-notch gear that'll elevate your culinary game. No more excuses for soggy bottoms or bland flavors. We're kicking things up a notch. Get ready to ditch your rusty old gadgets because 2024 is serving up some seriously impressive kitchen tech. First up, we've got the Smart Oven. Now this isn't some glorified toaster, this is a culinary powerhouse. You can control this bad boy with your smartphone. Preheat the oven on your way home from work, adjust the temperature without leaving the couch, even set timers so you don't overcook your food. This is the kind of efficiency that separates the donkeys from the Michelin star chefs. No more burnt offerings, no more excuses for undercooked disasters. This oven is here to make you look good even if you're prone to setting off the smoke alarm. Next up, we've got the Touchless faucet. Listen, hygiene is paramount in the kitchen, and this right here is a game changer. No more greasy hands contaminating everything after handling raw chicken. Just a simple wave of your hand and boom, water on demand. Think of it as your sous chef, always there to lend a helping hand, or in this case, a stream of water. Chapter 3. Multifunction air fryer, the kitchen ninja. One appliance to rule them all. Now for all you space-saving fanatics, feast your eyes on this multifunction air fryer. This ain't your average fryer, mate. This is a fryer, a toaster oven, a dehydrator. It's like the Swiss Army knife of kitchen appliances. Crisp up your fries, roasted chicken, dry some fruit. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? It takes up less space than a bloody microwave. This is efficiency and versatility combined, a match made in culinary heaven. Chapter 4. Induction. Cooktop. Cooking at the speed of light. Let's talk about speed, shall we? The Induction cooktop is like the Ferrari of cooking surfaces. This thing heats up faster than you can say mise en place. And the precision? Forget about it. You want a gentle simmer? Done. A rolling boil? You got it. This cooktop gives you absolute control over the heat, so you can finally say goodbye to uneven cooking and hello to culinary perfection. Chapter 5. Smart refrigerator, your personal sous chef and inventory manager. Last but not least, we've got the mother of all kitchen gadgets, the smart refrigerator. This is like having a personal assistant whose sole purpose is to keep your culinary life in check. Built-in touchscreen? You bet. Manage your grocery list, plan your meals, even get recipe recommendations based on what's in your fridge. It's like having a culinary mastermind at your fingertips, 24/7. No more wondering what's in the back of your fridge or forgetting what you need from the store. Outrow, level up your kitchen game. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest kitchen trends. Let us know in the comments which item you're most excited about. Remember, the kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a battleground where culinary dreams are made or broken. And with these innovative gadgets by your side, you'll be well equipped to conquer any culinary challenge that comes your way. Now go forth and cook like you mean it.